are free. I'm sure you've heard of this, right? But this seems to be a total lie when you live in a city like Mumbai. But today I'm here to show you that it in fact is the truth. I'm taking you around with me today to do some things in Mumbai which are totally free of cost. Let's go. When in Mumbai, you cannot miss out on visiting the Gateway of India. This beautiful monument, which was actually built during the British Raj, served as an entrance gate for any important British official that visited India. But did you know that in the year 1948, after India got its independence, this same structure actually served as the exit point for the last British troops? If you ask me, the best time to visit the gateway is during early morning when you can escape both the heat as well as the crowd. Out of all the free things to do in Mumbai, if you ask me to tell you my personal favorite, it has to be spending hours and hours in solitude at the Jahangir Art Gallery. You can totally cut away from the crowded bylanes of Mumbai and soak yourself, immerse yourself completely in art right here. Jahangir Art Gallery, which was established in 1952, has been consistently providing a platform for budding artists, may it be painters, photographers, sculptors and more. They can exhibit their work here and make it reach more people. So come, should we check out what's on exhibit today? So I have Mr. Satyajit Nigwekar here with me, who's one of the artists who's actually exhibiting their work today. He's you're a sculpturist, right? Okay. So can you tell us a little bit about your work? थोड़ा सा आपके sculptures के पीछे का inspiration क्या है? ये सब आप थोड़ा explain कर सकते हो?
आप देख सकते हो ये अभी एक मदर एंड चाइल्ड का ये एक फिगरेटिव कंपोजिशन है, जिसमें दिख रहा है कि एक लेडी अपने बच्चे को उसी प्यार से कंधे पे ले रही है। यानी इन दोनों का जो डिज़ाइन है, कंपोजिशन है, एक उनके हैप्पी मूड के कैच करने का ये मैंने ट्राई किया है।
So also expressing their love and hers.
Yes, दोनों का टच जो है एक दूसरे को, वो बहुत ही अच्छे से मैंने दिखाने का ट्राई किया है। कोई भी स्कल्पचर हो, पेंटिंग हो, उसमें मूड इम्पोर्टेंट है। इसमें जो दोनों का कनेक्शन है, एक लड़का और एक उसकी माँ, उन दोनों का जो मूड है वो मैंने कैच करने का यहाँ ट्राई किया। आप देख सकते हो कि बाकी के भी स्कल्पचर्स में अलग अलग मूड दिखाया गया है।
The artwork inside Jahangir Art Gallery is no doubt amazing, but another thing that I absolutely love to do every time I come to this gallery is to take a walk on this street, which is right outside the gallery. This street is lined by artists who actually set up stalls and they display their artwork here. So if you're looking for art that is not ultra expensive, this is a secret. Here you can actually find artwork that is equally beautiful but a lot cheaper. Wow, just look at these, so beautiful. Wow, this whole wall is such a mood. Just look at the use of colors. It's like primarily black and white, but there are these like splashes of colors in between. It looks so gorgeous. Look at this painting. I'm sure all of us have spent so much time hanging around the fort area in South Bombay, right? But have you ever stopped to appreciate the beauty of the gorgeous Flora fountain? Built in the year 1864, the fountain depicts the beauty of the Roman goddess Flora. Situated in the Hutatma Chowk, this fountain is a must visit for everyone coming to Mumbai. If you want to see Mumbai, the city of dreams, at its most beautiful best, then there cannot be a better spot than Marine Drive. Morning, noon or night, Marine Drive is always beautiful, and this time when I've come here right now, it's like 5:30 p.m. the perfect golden hour. I can see the sun setting by Nariman Point, and it's just, the weather is perfect. I think I'm going to grab a cup of chai for myself and watch the sun go all the way down. Well, if you haven't guessed where I am already, now I've come to the queen of suburbs, Bandra. When in Bandra, you cannot miss out on clicking some totally Instagram-worthy pictures in front of these beautiful, vibrant, graffitied walls. These walls have been painted as a part of the Bollywood art project that started in the year 2012, and you can actually find pictures of a lot of iconic Bollywood superstars here. So guys, I'm chilling right now at the Castella de Aguada. Wondering what that is? Our very own Bandra Fort. We all know this fort has a lot of historic importance, but what we love it the most for is this beautiful view of the sea link, the breezy weather and the gorgeous green gardens. I know Mumbai has so many spots where you can actually watch the picture perfect sunset, but if you ask me, Juhu beach पे आके sunset देखने का मजा ही कुछ और है. But be a little mindful because the beach tends to get very crowded over the weekend, so make sure you get here on a weekday evening to get some solitude and some quality time with yourself. So now you know after watching this video that there's a lot of things that you can do in Mumbai for free without spending a single rupee. If we have missed out on anything, leave a comment, let us know and we will try to do that. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.